Hey Betty Besties, welcome back. If you don't know me, I'm Rhonda and we do subscription box unboxings here. Today we have Paradise Delivered, Fire and Nice, and Sooni Pouch, which is sheet masks. So let's get started. So to be honest, I thought I was recording and opened all these boxes and it was not recording. That's what happens when the camera's facing the correct way. I don't know what's going on. So we have Paradise Delivered, which turns out it is a look. I think it's made by the same makers of the single swag box, or they're copying them exactly, but I don't think they would do that because they could get sued, I would assume. But this does look exactly like the single swag box price list. So we have this adorable hat. It's softer than I thought it would be. It is Vivian Rowe, which has a retail value of $24, and it just says good vibes on it. It's pretty cute. I feel like the good vibes is sewn on kind of crooked. What do you guys think? I feel like, okay, there's the hat straight. What do you think? It feels just a teensy bit crooked. No? Maybe? What do you guys think? Let me know. I can't see myself. Then we have this Brilliance New York Clear Culture Essential Hydration Hair Mask with a retail value of $40. These are great to have. Everybody should probably do a hair mask at least once a week. Just to keep your hair healthy. Once it starts going white, it just really starts breaking a lot more easily, and you really got to start caring for your hair a lot better than you maybe were in your youth, when you could kind of do whatever you wanted to it without worrying too much about the damage. We have Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen by Douce, D-O-U-C-C-E, with a retail value of $21. And I believe it's like an eyeliner. It's like a black eyeliner. It does have an extremely thin tip. Let's check this out. So as you can see, the tip is extremely, extremely thin. Let's do that. Let's see if you can see it better that way. But it looks like it would be, if you have not a shaky hand like I do, you could probably do some really nice things with such a thin pen. We have this book, I Was Told There'd Be Cake, Essays by Sloane Crosley, with a retail value of $18. This New York Times bestselling book by acclaimed author Sloane Crosley is a hilarious and profoundly genuine collection of essays chronicling the struggles and unexpected beauty of modern life. So it's built basically kind of little short stories that could be 5 to 20 pages. And I'll read you one of the reviews on the back. Whether you're involved in a love-hate relationship with just yourself or the entire world, these essays will charm the pants off you, but not so as you'll feel violated. Sloane Crosley is bright and funny and enchanting. This is a sparkling debut. So I'm excited to read this. This seems right up my alley. It's got some really interesting titles to the different essays, which some have some words that I cannot say on YouTube. We have this adorable necklace that came in this cute little pink package. It is, let's see, this was, yes. So this has a retail value of $62, a pave triangle necklace. So it says, Sicilian honey boasts anti-aging. That is not this. Okay. Pave triangle necklace. Triangles are often thought to symbolize strength and freedom. Wear this chic, stylish necklace as a reminder of your power and individuality. The necklace is a gold-plated with an 18-inch chain plus a 2-inch extender. I think it's a very pretty. What do you guys think? I think like kind of have to move it around for you to see the whole thing because the backing, I feel like maybe is taking away from the necklace. I think it's pretty. When I said triangle necklace, I wasn't expecting it to look like this. I don't know what I was thinking, but just like a normal, boring triangle. But it's actually very pretty. I really like it a lot. And let's see, we have this Daily Concepts Multifunctional Soap Sponge, Mother of Pearl. So this has a retail value of $12. 2-in-1 soap sponge hybrid tool combines an inflammation-reducing mother-of-pearl body wash with a mild exfoliating scrubber, so you can skip a step and a product in the shower. Expect to feel satisfyingly squeaky clean after using. If you're not squeaky clean, maybe you need to call somebody. I don't know. This is the Ibla Ultra Hydrating Hand Cream in Sicilian honey and aromatic botanicals. Says anti-aging properties, naturally antibacterial. The retail value is $24. I have never heard of an antibacterial hand cream. That's interesting. What do you guys think? Have you heard of that? Because I have not heard of that. Then we have this Vermilion 5 Hyaluronic Lip Hydration Masks. This has a retail value of $14. So I'll pull one out for you. If you've never used these before, this says it's a vegan product, cruelty-free, allergen-friendly, gluten-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, organic product. That's a mouthful. It has interesting instructions here. It says, first begin with a vegan lip scrub, then rinse your lips with, warm water. Open the lip mask foil side up so that you can easily slide out the tray your lip mask will be provided in. Apply the mask on your lips evenly. Achieve the perfect fit and coverage by overlapping the layers slightly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy being pampered. So I think it's really important to keep your lips moisturized. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like the older I get, the drier and more chapped, and I don't know, they just need more care. So that's always a good thing to have. And that is everything in the box. And just like with single swag, even if you didn't go off of these prices, even if you went off prices that you would be willing to spend in the store for this, so say, $5, $7, $8, $12, $3, $5 to $10, 10 to 15, etc. It's definitely still well worth the $40, which I think I left out what the price of the box is. So Paradise Delivered is $39.99 a month for organic beauty, fashion accessories, snacks or treats, books, or more. Everything is supposed to be tropical themed, and you get 7 to 8 full-sized items with a retail value of over $200. These boxes are definitely worth it. I don't feel like this was tropical themed. What do you guys think? Do you feel like this was tropical themed? Maybe the good vibes, but the rest of it doesn't seem extremely tropical themed to me. We have Fire and Ice. It is $13 a month for the mini or $38.95 for the deluxe. I do believe this is the deluxe box. You get luxury and self-care, candles, bath products, wax and melts, body care, and they have mystery boxes for $12 to $45. They have a soy candle subscription for $39 for 2 16-ounce candles. And they also have another candle subscription for $29. You get 2 8-ounce candles. So this box would be the $38.95. It comes with this adorable card that has a list of the things that would be in the deluxe box and in the mini box, which is pretty cool. Holiday season's approaching, and we also offer candle subscription boxes for the candle lover in your life. So I got this off Cratejoy, but they do have their own site, fireandnicebox.com. So we have a bath bomb that has a pretty strong smell. Let's see. Oh, it's winter candy apple scented. We have this sugar scrub for your hands and your body. And it has the scent of pumpkin apple butter. And this leaked a little bit, but nothing too major. It's easily to be rinsed off. It did have a lid, but I guess, ooh, it smells pretty good. It does smell like what it says, pumpkin apple butter. But yeah, it would be easy to rinse off the stickiness that's there. And I'm sure it did come from this same bottle. We have this vanilla bean moisturizing shea and poppy seed soap, which When I tried to smell it earlier, I just could not get the scent, but I think it's because I have this on my hands and this on my hands. So it's obviously got a lighter scent though, if I can't smell it. We've got this adorable candle by Fall Vibes. It's a 2-ounce hand-poured soy candle in apple jack and peel scent. So it's just got a nice, easy to take on and off candle lid. And then we have this herbal bath tea in apple orchard scent. So you add the contents of the bath tea to this fabric tea bag that they gave you, tie it closed and drop it into your warm bath. The compost plant ingredients from the used bag. Oh, it's telling you that you can compost. It's telling you that you can compost this after using it in your bath in the bag. Hand wash the bag and reuse it for your next bath. Relax and enjoy. And you can't really see, I don't think, but it does have this really nice, pretty coloring to it. So, let's see. Yeah, that was everything in the box. So this box would have been the $38.95. These aren't generally products that I would buy. I do like the sugar scrub a lot, so I'll definitely use that. The rest of this, I don't know, could end up in a giveaway. But this just isn't necessarily my type of box, so I probably will not get this one again. But for $38.95, I think you kind of have to decide, is it worth it to you? Because it doesn't really matter if it's worth it to me, if you're the one that likes it and who's going to use it, right? And then the last subscription here is the Suny Pouch. It says it is the #1 K-Beauty box. It's for $9.99. You get 6 to 8 sheet masks. They're never the same. And you can bump up your subscription to get 6 to 8 full-size or deluxe sample skincares for $19.99 a month, or 10 to 12 full-size or deluxe samples of skincare, makeup, hair products, and beauty tools for $35.99 a month. If you sign up for the $9.99 subscription for 3 months, in the first subscription, your first shipment will have 10 masks instead of just your 6 to 8. I actually just got 6 masks, which is fine with me. We have the Dear Green Tea. It is hyacinth, lavender, and witch hazel, which I am excited to try all of these actually. A Pearl Essential Sheet Mask, which I do have one of these, but I may have given it to a friend, so I'm excited to get another one. A Fresh To Go Avocado Sheet Mask by Moly. Love avocado. It's always very good for your hair and your skin. This mask the packaging is so cute. Brightening Egg Essence Mask with egg yolk extract. Moisture and glossy. I'm wondering if it leaves your skin glossy, but I guess I will find out. And this is the Nature Republic Hyaluronic Acid Real Comforting Mask Sheet. Very sleek packaging. Vitality I'm Broccoli Mask Sheet. This looks really fun. I've not heard of a broccoli mask sheet, much less tried it. So I'm excited to try that. I hope it does not smell like broccoli because I don't want to smell like broccoli. So as far as the sheet masks go, considering there were 6 in here for $10 and free shipping, I think this is a very, very good deal. We all know that I love sheet masks if you've been watching the videos, but you know, I don't want to get overwhelmed with a lot of sheet masks at the same time, but I really like this one because the variety in sheet masks really is different. It's not like a set of the same basic general types of sheet masks. It really is a bunch of different types, different brands, and all of that. So I'm excited about that. I think like overall for the 3 Paradise Delivered, Fire and Ice, and Sooni Pouch, I liked all of them. I probably will not get any of them anytime soon again. If I do get another one, probably will be the Suny Pouch because I have a sheet mask obsession. I think people should do them every day. It's relaxing, it's good for your skin, and I feel like it helps my skin from wrinkling too much. I feel like it's an anti-aging thing. So let me know what you guys thought. Let me know if there's any boxes that you would like to see on the channel. Leave it down in the comments down below. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.